Okay guys, welcome back, and today we're looking at finding the adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix. This is even more simpler than finding the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, which is what we did in the previous lesson. So we're concentrating on finding the adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix. So let's take a look at our first example here. So obviously this is a 2 by 2 matrix here, and we're simply asked to find its adjoint. Pretty straightforward, very easy. Now again, just for emphasis, these are the elements in the leading diagonal. Those are the elements in the leading diagonal. And we're simply going to find the adjoint. So the adjoint of matrix A, very simple. No working out, no calculations. Pretty straightforward. The adjoint of matrix A, simply what we're going to do is we're going to interchange the elements in the leading diagonal. So we're putting -1 there and 2 there. So we're just switching these two around in the leading diagonal. So 2 goes there and -1 goes there, which is what we have here. And the elements here we're going to leave in the same position, but the only thing that we're going to do is change the signs. So this -3 here becomes +3, and this 6 becomes -6. And this would be the adjoint of matrix A, as simple as that. Let's take a look at another example. Very straightforward. Again, you can see clearly that is a 2 by 2 matrix, and we're only focusing on 2 by 2 matrices right now. So the adjoint of matrix B, very simple. Again, these are the elements in the leading diagonal, and all we're going to do is switch those positions just like that. The other two elements we're going to leave in the same position, except that we're going to change the signs. This is going to be -11, and this is now going to be +7. Very straightforward. Let's take a look at example 3. There we go. Another 2 by 2 matrix, matrix C, and you can clearly see the elements, and we're finding the adjoint of matrix C. Very easy. So you can clearly see the elements that are in the leading diagonal. You should know what leading diagonal is referring to based on what we did in the previous lesson. So again, we're simply going to switch those positions. So -2 comes here, and -1/2 goes there. And of course, these two elements remain, except that we change the sign. So that +9 now becomes -9, and this -2 becomes +2. And that is how you write the adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix. All right, very simple. And now I'm going to ask you guys to simply try these questions, and let me see what answers you come up with. Find the adjoint of each of the matrix below. You have 4 2 by 2 matrices. Write the adjoints for those. Pause the video, write the adjoint for those, and then give me some feedback in the group. All right, guys. Hope you found this video insightful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.